Good morning, students!
Good morning, ma'am.
Today, let's discuss the common welding defects.
Ma'am, we are very ready to learn the common defects of welding.
Okay, very good. Let's start. Did you know that welding defects are formed in welding work because of the weak or poor technique? Today, I will introduce to you 5 of some welding defects. Porosity, the first common welding defect. Porosity is a group of small bubbles and blowholes, relatively large hidden holes or pores. They are mainly caused by trapped gases. Porosity is a result of weld metal contamination. Causes of porosity. First, using insufficient electrodeoxidant. Second, applying too large of gas flow. Third, the welder are using a larger arc. Fourth, existence of moisture in the process. Unsuitable gas shield. And dirty job surface.
Excuse me, ma'am, what are the remedies for this kind of welding defects?
Okay, that is a very good question. So now let us discuss the remedies for porosity. As a welder, we must choose suitable electrode. Checking the gas flow meter and ensuring that it is adapted as needed with appropriate pressure and flow setting. Always make sure that the arc distance is correct. And then, you need to clean the metal before starting the welding process.
Okay, ma'am.
Undercut is the second common welding defect. Undercut in welding makes imperfection. It is the formation of grooves in the weld flow, which decreases the cross-sectional thickness of the base metal. As a result of this weld, workpiece get weakened. I will discuss to you the causes of this kind of welding defect. First, fast weld speed. Second, incorrect electrode angle. Third, poor welding methods. Fourth, incorrect gas shielding and filler metal. And then too high weld current. Okay, now let us discuss the remedies for this kind of welding defect. First, use suitable electrode angle. Second, decrease travel speed. And then decrease the arc length. Number 3, weld cracks. Weld cracks are the most dangerous types of welding defects. It is almost not allowed by all standards in production. It can appear on the surface, in the weld metal, or in an area affected by strong heat. Okay, students, take note that there are different types of cracks that occur during welding.
Ma'am, may I ask what are those types of cracks?
Okay, there are 3 types of cracks depending on temperature. The hot cracks, cold cracks, and crater cracks. Causes of weld cracks. Applying low current and high welding speed. Contamination of base metal. The design concept is poor. In order to prevent weld cracks, the welder must utilize appropriate welding speed and current. Use proper design concepts and clean the metal surface before welding. Number 4. Slug inclusion. Slug inclusion is welding defects that are usually visible in welds. The slug is a dangerous substance that appears as a product of stick welding, flux core arc welding, and submerged arc welding. Slug inclusion decreases the strength of the joint and hence make it weaker. Fifth, the welding spatter. Spatters are tiny metal particles that are ejected from the arc during welding and accumulate on the base metal throughout the weld bead along its length. This is particularly common happens in gas metal arc welding. So those are the 5 common welding defects. Hope you guys learn a lot in this lesson.
Thank you, Mom.